huh?
My name is not Miranda.
Miranda or Asian, one of the two. I'm
My
telling
name is Blake.
you. No, your name's Miranda, guarantee. What's up, Miranda?
This is not Miranda.
What's up, Miranda? How you doing?
I'm not Miranda. I don't know who you are. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm looking for Latif.
How you doing? I haven't seen you in a minute. You could have just said it was Miranda.
This is Blake.
Miranda, how you been?
What the heck are you? I'm doing pretty good. What?
Can I? What's up? How you been?
I've been good.
What you been up to since the last time I seen you at the fair, Miranda?
What are you doing, dude?
What?
What are you doing?
You know what I'm saying? Just blowing that fire.
You're just chilling.
No, I'm blowing that fire.
What is that supposed to mean?
You know what that means, girl? Me and you did it.
Is that an insult? Hello?
I hear it doing in the background.
What are you talking about?
I'm trying to think, who the fuck is this? Who would want to play?
This is Blake. Blake owns you on YouTube with a Z.
How you know?
Latif.
Hey, Fanita.
What?
Oh yeah, this is Fanita.
I don't know what you're talking about, sir. I'm looking for Latif.
Oh hell yeah, this is Fanita, my nigga. What?
How you doing, dude?
Nigga, what? You're crazy. I know who this is now, nigga. You're fucking with a short high nigga.
What are you talking about?
What's up, man? You got some homegirls?
Seriously, let me talk to him.
You're talking to him right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, I'm just trying to figure something out.
What are you trying to figure out?
Is your refrigerator running?
Huh?
Is your refrigerator still running?
Oh. Oh, this is Daniel.
Is your refrigerator running, Latif?
Is your pussy wet?
What? That's foul language.
I'm asking you.
Sir, that's not funny. That's a foul word.
Is your pussy wet?
Sir, I will report you.
I don't give a fuck if you want to report me or not. Suck me up.
What's your last name, boy?
What's my last name?
Yeah.
I know this is Andrea.
Andrea?
Hell yeah, this is
I'm
Andrea.
Blake. I'm telling you this. I'm Blake.
You're a fucking dude and you're calling me?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure something out.
Man, I don't want to talk to no dude. I'm trying to talk to a girl, so I'm about to hang up, my nigga.
You're stupid, dude. I'll beat the crap out of you. Look at my YouTube profile. I'm buffer than you think.
Oh, this is Navi.
What?
Navi.
Who's Nobby?
Yeah, it is Navi, 'cause I don't know how your voice is.
What are you talking about, dude?
Yeah, this is Navi, y'all. You got me, Navi. It's cool, though.
Dude, you're retarded. This is Blake. What do you not get? I'll beat the crap out of you if you make me, dude.
Hey, what's up, man? You got no homegirls that are trying to get active tonight?
What? Dude, is your refrigerator running?
Is your pussy wet?
Stop saying that. It's a foul word.
Yeah.
This is professional business.
Man, you got any homegirls?
What?
What homegirls at?
Are you okay, dude?
What?
Oh, I thought one of my agents were hitting you. Sorry.
Yeah, this is Navi. I knew it. I fucking knew it.
What are you talking about? Please don't cuss.
Yeah, I just heard you say Asian, so this is Navi.
I said agent, you idiot.
You said Asian.
I said agent.
Oh, you're a fucking agent?
No, I thought my agent was attacking you. I have agents around your house just in case you try a smart move.
What the fuck are you talking about?
You should know. What teeth?
So what's up? Are you gonna get your homegirls? Cause you feel me, nigga? I'm about to. Feel me? I don't know. It's about to be over.
Is this really your teeth?
Saying my name like you know.
What's wrong with you, dude? Why are you coughing?
Don't even trip.
I'm not tripping.
What's up, man? Who are you? You got any homegirl?
I'm Blake.
What's up? Man, stop fucking playing that Blake shit, man. Are you serious?
I am Blake. I'm not joking.
My nigga, it's now like 9 o'clock. I wasted 6 minutes.
6 minutes with what?
Talking your corny ass.
I'm not corny, dude. I'm buff. I'm ripped.
Yeah, this is Navi, my nigga.
I'm just trying to figure one thing out and one thing only.
What?
Is your refrigerator running?
Yes, motherfucker.
Well, you better catch it. I think he just hanged up.
Yep.
Dang.